And so what we're seeing here is people are allocating to an asset that they believe is going to go up in the future, obviously. Things that will drive that are the Bitcoin ETF, but as people are allocating to this, 70% of the circulating supply of Bitcoin has not moved in a year.
A bit of the recent moves, maybe over the last month or so, certainly reflected some enthusiasm about the ETF approval.
Greetings, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to CryptoJournal, your go-to source for the latest happenings in the blockchain universe. I'm Manuel, and today's episode is packed with twists, and today we're diving into a seismic event that has rocked the cryptosphere. The SEC, under the helm of Chair Gary Gensler, just dropped a bomb on Coinbase's quest for transparency. But before we unpack this regulatory drama, make sure to hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and join our crypto community. In a groundbreaking development, the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission has slammed the door on Coinbase's plea for more transparent crypto rules and regulations. The denial comes hot on the heels of Coinbase's petition, a plea to bring order to what Gensler refers to as the Wild West of crypto. Buckle up, because this story has more twists than a roller coaster. Gensler's statement is a fascinating read. He cites the sufficiency of existing regulations in the crypto market, claiming that the current rulebook adequately addresses the complexities of crypto securities markets. But that's not all. Gensler throws two curveballs. First, he asserts there's no evidence that crypto investors are undeserving of the protections our securities laws provide. Second, he drops the mic with a reference to the SEC vs. Howey decision from the Supreme Court. It's a power move that leaves many scratching their heads. The SEC denies Coinbase's petition for increased crypto rules and regulations. The crypto industry has been pleading for specific regulations for the past 2 years, grappling with the SEC's enforcement-focused approach. Despite the industry's outcry for a change in focus, it seems the SEC is holding its ground. In the denial response, Gensler outlines 3 reasons for the rejection. Firstly, he argues that the existing laws already apply to the crypto securities markets. Then, he drops the legal hammer by referencing 2 Supreme Court cases, emphasizing the overarching governance of securities laws on crypto. Gensler concludes by disagreeing with the petition's assertion that now is the right time for regulatory action. It's a regulatory chess match, and Gensler seems to have checkmated Coinbase. But what does this mean for the future of crypto regulations? To break it down further,
Bitcoin is rallying as people realize that, its securities place is digital gold. I mean, it's gone from 15 years ago to 850 billion of market cap today, 20% of the way toward monetary equivalence with gold. So that seems pretty well established.
We turn to Stephen McClurg, co-founder and CIO at Valkyrie Investments, who shares his insights on today's CNBC crypto world. And now, a quick detour to Coinbase's corner. Alicia Haas, Coinbase CFO, discusses the company's third-quarter results and the potential impact of a spot Bitcoin ETF on Bloomberg Markets' The Close. Coinbase's revenue is on the rise. In a bold move reminiscent of a crypto showdown, Coinbase has fired back at the SEC with a lawsuit, challenging the regulatory giant's denial of a more transparent crypto rulebook. It's a David and Goliath narrative playing out in the digital Wild West, where Coinbase, armed with allegations of abuse of discretion and a violation of the Administrative Procedure Act, aims to reshape the landscape of crypto regulations. Promising a courtroom spectacle, Coinbase has taken its grievances to the Third Circuit, seeking justice and a fair shot at crypto-specific regulations that have remained elusive for the past 2 years. The cryptocurrency sector's rallying cry for clear guidelines in the U.S. has faced the SEC's stern opposition, forcing companies to navigate a murky regulatory terrain focused on enforcement. This legal clash comes on the heels of a summer spat, where the SEC threw the first punch, accusing Coinbase of selling unregistered securities and playing the role of an unregistered securities exchange. It's a high-stakes poker game, with Coinbase now pushing back, claiming the SEC's denial of their petition is not just arbitrary and capricious, but a violation of the very laws that should govern this dynamic industry. As the courtroom drama unfolds, the crypto community holds its breath, waiting to see if Coinbase can tip the scales in favor of a more transparent and accommodating regulatory environment. The SEC, so far, remains tight-lipped, leaving the stage set for a legal battle that could redefine the rules of engagement in the ever-evolving world of cryptocurrencies. There you have it, crypto comrades. The SEC's denial of Coinbase's petition has sent shockwaves through the industry. What are your thoughts on this regulatory showdown? Share your opinions in the comments below. Hit that like button. And if you're not part of our crypto community yet, make sure to subscribe for more in-depth analyses and exciting updates. I'm Your Name, signing off.